but they in the band when I call my little shit. Hit down for a second clip. I tried to tell him that he is a terrorist. He said they play with you, them niggas exodus. She wanna run with my team. She said when she look in my eyes, that all she can hear is the money machine. I had a single that started throw hundreds, cause ain't no one fucking with me.
We back for another video, man. Today I'm just gonna be doing a little tune-up, bro. A much needed tune-up. This bike, I ain't changed the spark plug since I built it, nor have I changed the oil since I built it. So that's what we're doing today, man. Fresh plugs, fresh oil change. I'm gonna change the main jets. I'm gonna drop them down to like a 290, something like that, you know. It's finna get warmer, so you know I can lean her out a little bit. Going on a little ride out this weekend, so I gotta make sure this thing all the way A1. We're gonna do a nut and bolt check, make sure everything is tight, make sure everything is everything. Filters clean, carbs clean, chain tight. Like, we're gonna make sure it's A1, bro, so we won't be out there looking like a fool on ride out there, you feel me? If you're a Banshee rider, you know, these old school. You can't just put gas in it and go. Man, it's a few things you just want to check over when you out here street riding these bikes, man. Like, you want to make sure your filters and stuff is clean. You know, you want to make sure they clean and oiled. This is a brand new filter, so it's still clean, still oiled, but you want to make sure your carbs is clean. You have to make sure your carbs is clean, bro. Carbs get clogged up and they get dirty all the time, so before a big ride out, I clean mine, make sure everything is everything. That's what we finna do. I'm finna just blow through the carbs real quick, switch out my main jets, and then put them back together. Real quick, y'all, I'm just gonna show y'all one carb because it don't make sense for me to do both of them. It's gonna make the video super long. Alright, y'all, I just did the right side card. I just swapped out the jet right there. That was a 300. Just put a 290 in. I cleaned the pilot just to make sure it was already clean, but I just blew through the carbs. So now I'm gonna do this side. Then I'm gonna take the filter off, make sure everything is still in sync. Then we're gonna move on. Alright, y'all, I got the carbs put back together just while I turn the fuel on, just to make sure the floats don't leak. Now I'm finna just start the bike up, let it warm up, so we can do an oil change. Once I get done with the oil change, probably gonna get a bike a wash, man. That way, Saturday when the ride out comes, I can just load up, ride out, you know? I'm gonna also do a nut and bolt check on everything, make sure everything tight and right. I'm finna set y'all up so we can do a little crank up. Got the bike all warmed up. Got my oil drain pan. Got my 1/2 inch. My 17 mil. So shit, let's get to it, man. I'm finna drain the oil, show y'all what it look like. So hopefully it don't look bad. But yeah, man, let's get to it.
Looking like Katie and Kyrie. My TD Baker's on what? My TD baby's on Kylie. Try back in the lobby. All these niggas getting dodgy. When we see them, it's a body.
Y'all, while that's still draining, what I'm gonna do, check my spark plugs real quick, just to kill 2 birds with 1 stone. I got some fresh ones if I need them, but if I don't, I'm gonna just throw those back in. So I'm gonna set y'all up. We're gonna check those out real quick too.
Time for some fresh ones. But you'll be crazy if you think I'm throwing these away. Got a freshie.
Some good synthetic transmission oil, man. Start out with 1 whole quart, bro. Just dump it all in. And for your second piece, man, just throw a little bit more than half, a little bit more. Now we're gonna crank the bike up, check it, add as needed. You feel me? All right, y'all, just a quick little recap for the day, man. I cleaned the carbs. I blew through them with my little air hose attachment. I put fresh plugs in. Oh, I also put 290s in my bike. I dropped them from 300 to 290 because it's getting a little hot outside, so bike finna run a little richer. Did a fresh oil change. I also checked my coolant. I did it off camera just to make sure everything is everything. Yeah, plugs, oil change, carb clean, and a quick little reject. That was all I did, bro. Tomorrow I'm gonna get a bike a wash. That way when Saturday come, all I gotta do is load the bike up. And shoot, we'll be ready to ride, bro. Y'all stay tuned, man. I'm finna wash the bike, which would be 2 seconds for y'all, 12 hours or some change for me. Cause I'm gonna do it tomorrow when the sun come out. But I appreciate y'all, bro. Stay tuned, man. Meanwhile, y'all make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe. You know. And I'll see y'all tomorrow, bro. Psych!